Make sure you hang till the end of this video so the penny will drop about ranking in the search engines and why that's still massively important, and how to get your content into the AI models. Welcome to Entity Ranker Trainer Edition 2025 Upgrade. Train the models, influence the answers, own the narrative. Entity Ranker no longer stops at ranking on Google. With Trainer Edition, your content is engineered to be digested, remembered, and echoed by AI language models. Influence what the world's smartest machines think and how they respond. This is the only software that some SEO agencies use to rank their entire database of clients. We have customers with over 120,000 indexed Google site pages. One SEO agency has 13 licenses of this software. That's all they use. And now with this update, it gets even better. I've updated the agents that create the content on these sites to be much more AI friendly. You want your content inside the models? You need to seed the search engines, Google and Bing respectively. When people search for local or recent content, the models have to investigate. And where do they investigate? The search engines. ChatGPT, Bing, Gemini, Google. As we know, Google and Bing ranks these Google sites right off the bat. So the content you put in our updated Entity Ranker software project starts magically appearing in the model. So Entity Ranker still has all these amazing features that you find on the sales page. Amazing customer testimonials, and this testimonial by Garrett, who is a leading SEO expert. Here's a really cool new tool that I'm throwing in for free. Say you've got a whole bunch of links that you want to act as attribution links in each of your Google site pages created. Here's an example. Just grab these links. You can actually drop the PDF in there, but I'll just do copy, paste. Now watch this. This is insane, because Entity Ranker has one section. I'll pull it out now. So here's the software. This is inside one project. These are the terms. This is where you put your keyword phrases. This is where you put the business information about the product, company, or brand that you're promoting. Here you put the utility of that business, product, or brand that you're promoting. And here is the HTML section. In this HTML section, we can use spin tags. And that's what this tool is for. So I'll just scroll up. Because we use spin tags, we're creating titles above these attribution links, and we are randomly selecting each of the links. So every time you just copy and paste that into there. So every time a new page is created, you get different links. You get different attribution links at the bottom of your Google site that was just created. I'll show them to you in a sec. So you can populate your Google site page with amazing visual content. You use one Google account. You can also populate these Google site pages with your Google business profile, your main URL, and YouTube videos. And start. I'm just going to show you building one site. I'll speed it up in respect of your time. And there is the HTML content from the GPT I created. trusted references substantiating the content. That is language designed for the AIs to read. And this is the result of that project. Header title, header graphic, graphic up the top, YouTube video, amazing content written specifically to be ingested by AI models, Google Maps. Every page has a different title, so there's no footprints. We use language that is to be read by the AI models, not humans, in terms of these titles above the attribution links. So these attribution links are proving to the AIs that this content above is referenced and accurate, including the anchor text of the links and a link back to another customer's Google site. So we're all cross-promote, we're all sending links to each other's sites to give them more link dupes and more ranking ability. So what is Entity Ranker software? Entity Ranker software is a tool focused on optimizing websites for search engines SEO by focusing on understanding and addressing entities. This approach involves structural knowledge about a website's and content in relation to its specific entities like people, places, organizations, to improve its search visibility. It aims to help businesses improve their SEO strategies by understanding and leveraging the entity relationship between their website and the information they are trying to rank for, which is all true. But now we've added the addition to adding language inside that content, specifically written to be read by the AI models that read these sites. And we all know how powerful Google sites are. Check this out. SEO consultant Alberton Gold Coast. The reason I'm showing you this, we've got #1 listing, is because it's 7 or 8 years old. I did this with the original Google site software we created 8 years ago. Another example, SEO consultant Bigger or Waters, #2 from 8 years ago. Benoba Waters, 1 and 2 from 8 years ago. SEO Services Austinville, #1 from 8 years ago. SEO Consultant Arundel, #1. SEO Alberton Gold Coast. You got sponsored links, and then #1 and #2. Also in Bing, SEO Consultant Alberton Gold Coast. There you go, right there, and this is what we want.
Hey folks, this is Gary Nicott of TurboWare. If you know anything about me at all, you know that I do not do testimonials, video testimonials. But I got to do one this time. He got me again. Peter Drew got me again. Released another software, Entity Ranker. It's super interesting. It looks great. We just got it. We're jumping in head first. And we bought the lifetime license like we literally buy from all of his software. We always buy the lifetime license because we know it's going to last and because we know it's going to do the job. Every piece of software I've ever bought from him has been quality and has worked as advertised. So I just wanted to jump on and say thanks to Peter. Thanks for the many years of supporting us, myself and my company, and I hope you continue to release awesome software. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
And obviously he's done really well out of his lifetime license because we've just upgraded and improved this probably 2 years after he purchased that lifetime license. So I encourage you guys to get the lifetime license for this software now. You'll know we'll keep supporting it. Our bread and butter was always links in SEO, which is still true today. But now our bread and butter is language. The language we use to convince the AI models that our content is more relevant and accurate than anyone else's content. So they provide our content instead of others in the models as answers to questions being asked. And that's what this edition of Entity Ranker released in June 2025 is all about. So to celebrate the massive upgrade to Entity Ranker, and I want to inspire you guys to get onto it. To get the massive discount coupon code, all you've got to do is like this video and drop a comment below, and I will personally reply to you with your massive discount coupon code so you can get started straight away. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.